Hello there, this is Baumann from onlineforexanalysis.com. I would like to do a market update for the sterling US dollar and also the euro Swiss for the 6th of June 2011. Let's get to it. Now this is the sterling US dollar, and what we have here on the daily is a bull flag break, a target of 168.15. Now we do have to get past this 165.15 level for it to power on through to 168.15. Okay, now basically what I've done here is put an order in for Monday to open at the 163.90 level with a stop of 130, taking it down to a stop of 162.60, and once it gets to this 165.15 level, I'd like to drag the stop to a zero risk position and see if it busts through that resistance and we get our full 400 odd pips. So it's basically 130 pips lost to 400 odd pips to the upside. That's a 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio. That's a perfect trade. Okay, so let's have a look at the weekly. What the weekly sterling US dollar is basically saying is that the resistance point here on a weekly of this downwards channel line and also this ascending wedge is basically a point of the 168 level. So it really does coincide with the daily. So that's a trade that will be entered Monday morning. Now let's go to the euro Swiss. Euro Swiss here on the weekly, we have some room down to the 119 level on this downwards channel line. What I see on the daily is that we have a bear flag break, and it also retested it and gave me a perfect time to enter, where I basically entered at the 122.07 mark, and I'm looking to gain down to the 119 at least, so it's around about 300 pips. That's my target on this, and I'll be dragging my stop very tight once I get to the 119 level to see if I do get those extra 100 pips here that it's showing me at the 170.90 level. So basically this one here is already executed. You still have time to get into this on Monday also. You'd want a stop of about 120 to 150 on this. So it's a 2-to-1 ratio on this trade, but it's still definitely worth taking, and there's still money to be made. So just to confirm, the euro Swiss is still going quite well and is going ahead. We do also want to make sure that this sterling one is also taken, because that looks very promising to me, especially when I look at all the other pairings with the sterling. This is the sterling Swiss, and it's hit the bottom of the channel line on a daily, so it looks like we could get a reversal. And basically also on the weekly it's hit the bottom of the channel line on the sterling Swiss. So the sterling looks like it will appreciate and end up buying more Swiss in the process, like it shows us with the sterling US dollar. So also if we have a look at this euro sterling on a daily, it's hit its target, so the euro is appreciated enough to hit the target to sterling. And basically if you see what we have here on the weekly is that it's coming up to this resistance point. Had a very strong week. The euro definitely outperformed last week, and it had a very strong week, but now it has hit a resistance level. So basically the sterling has shown me in a number of its pairings that it will be appreciating. So that is definitely a good trade on for next week. So keep tuned with all my updates, especially for my members videos that come out every day or so. Just keep in touch, and that's your market update for this week, for 6th of June 2011. Thank you. Goodbye.